Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing today? It would appear, again, that we got snowboards, Stefano, tree, sky, sun over there. And we're gonna go snowboarding. Let's go get it. Just a quick little update. The last few weeks we've been lacking snow down in the kind of lower elevations. The first time in quite a while. Got some decent powder. Anyway, go get it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We made it. We built a jump right there over some trees because I have a lot of luck with trees. We'll see how it works. We're gonna. All right, it appears that this adventure seems to be over. So we'll see you guys next time.